How's it going? It's Jake here with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro floating handle grip. I bought this because I have some jet skis, so if I go out on the jet ski, I got the floating handle, as well as for blogging. I don't know how well this one's going to work versus the pole. I got the GoPro just because of the fact that Best Buy didn't have the GoPro version. So let's jump into it, unbox these, and then I will do a review on them at some point. Come on. Boxes are just so ridiculous these days. There we go. Let's just tear it open. The kid on Christmas. Come on. You would think they would make this easier. Be able to do with one hand. Seems like you either got upward angle, downward angle. So it's just on a slant, so you could, I'm sure you could adjust the housing for it. So if you're gonna be walking around, I guess you could muck around with it lower. Doesn't look like a bad idea. Just good for floating as well. And while we're here, we'll do the GoPro too. Looks like we got a mount right here. I'm not sure what that mount's for. Obviously probably goes around the pole somehow. Not a whole lot of instructions. Obviously that goes right there, but I don't know what you're gonna put in this one. Obviously, because you need a mount. This mount feels a little sticky. You could definitely tell that's glue or something. I don't know if that glue was supposed to be in there or not. And then we have a GoPro, looks like strap that will screw into the bottom. Will screw into the bottom of it. Let me do this at a good angle right here. That was trying to do was filming by yourself. I'm going to be getting a tripod shortly. So we got a little hand strap thing, kind of looks like. I don't know how, it says it retracts and kind of looks like a baton. Pretty decent length, so like if you're going to be filming from far away, it will do. It'll be nice to figure out what this piece is for. I don't think you're going to really mount anything really in it. So that's my unboxing video for the retractable GoPro mount and the GoPro floating mount. If you enjoyed these videos, please like and subscribe. Comment below your thoughts on them. If anybody has this and knows what this is for, please let me know. Until next time, Jake is out.